Welcome to Greatest Hub. Now click on the mail, open it, come down, and then here we can see the link. Here we can see that I am having 10 points, and now click the link and open it. Click on the link for getting rewards. Here we can see the rewards we are getting. I am having only 6 points, so I can buy. I am getting these 2 bags, or the cap. So like I want to take cap for that, click on add to cart and come down. And so like I want to take cap for that, click on add to cart and come down, and then for increasing items we can click. Then click on the next. Here fill all the delivery details. First fill your first name and last name, then enter your email. Then select your country. Then enter your mobile number. Last enter your address, state, PIN code. Then click on Delivery Here button. Here you can see the tracking guide. And for getting these rewards, it will take 6 to 8 weeks. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.